Hey everybody, it's Anne from Craft Drawer. Just wanted to share with you some new fall crafts that you might enjoy looking into. Everything from knitting, crochet, plastic canvas, and quilting and more. There's a whole bunch of pattern kits that we are checking out today. Before we get started, just wanted to let you know I would like you to subscribe to our channel and like our channel and leave any comments behind for us to check out if you have any questions. We'll have a link below for any of these items and kits for the fall and Halloween projects. So let's get started. Here are some of these fun patterns and ideas and kits to make for fall. The first one is the baby doll patch um, doll kit. It's a knitting kit that features dolls and pumpkins, and here are just a few of them. So then, though that comes with the yarn and the patterns, enough to make 3 5-inch dolls and 3 pumpkin outfits, and the 3 pumpkins and vines. You'll have to get the knitting needles for that project. Now let's move on to the next one. That's the Boo Trio crochet kit, and this is really cute. This is for the these 3 adorable little characters to crochet, and their patterns come with the yarn also. And then let's look at the next one. We have a Scarecrow wall or door hanging. That is also a kit featuring the Scarecrow, which would be fun to hang onto your door or inside your home. And then we have another one, this Halloween door hangers plastic canvas kit, which is for 2022, and it's a cute little hanger kit to put on your well, it's not for 2022. Obviously, I just mistook it's a door hanger because it looks like a 2 to me. Anyways, just take a look at that one also. We'll share the link below for that. And then let's go to the Textured Pumpkin Trio kit. This is always a popular one. This is a knitting kit for the pumpkins. And I'll also share a link for the pumpkin trio for crocheting them also. But these are always a popular item to make, and you can get the yarn in the color that you like. Then let's go to some of the other cute items we have. Another door kit for plastic canvas. Here's a quilt kit that's really cute. It says if the shoe fits. That could be hung on your wall easily. Then there's some other ones that let's take a look at. The Harvest door kit. They're a tissue holder for Halloween and trick or treat. There's gnomes or treats crochet kit. There's a little village that you can make in plastic canvas. This is really cute. Let me show you this one. This is a haunted house window frame plastic canvas kit. Wouldn't that be cute to hang up or fun to hang up in for your Halloween decorations? So let's go to some more, and we have some Thanksgiving items that you can make, like the turkey plastic canvas kit, the Give Thanks towel topper set, the jack-o'-lantern tissue, the witch kit, and there's also jigsaw puzzles, candy holders, some more October harvest quilt items, lots of Halloween items. Here is the Plaid Pumpkin Trio crochet kit that I was going to tell you about, kind of similar to the knitting one, but this is a plaid trio. You also get a plain pumpkin, and I'll share that link also with you. Again, there's a lot of these fall items that you want to check out. This is cute too, the Halloween stack. Let me just show you that one. That is another crochet kit that is going to be really fun to make. And let's see, we have a ghost house plastic tissue canvas box. Isn't that cute? Yeah, so you can make that one also. And I don't know, hopefully you guys have enough time to make a lot of this stuff because there's a lot of fun stuff in here to make. There's a Harvest Latch rug hook kit. Here's a bunch more. There's little treat baskets, a tissue box cover that features Dracula. There's shelf sitters, which are popular on Halloween and Christmas. There's a 3D turkey plastic canvas kit. There are scarecrows, a lot of things for your doors to make, hanger kits and things like that. These trick-or-treat towels. There's the Halloween doll set. There's some puzzles in here, like I said before, that you can take a look at. These harvest autumn leaf baskets are really cute. Then we also have some pumpkins, like a pumpkin basket in plastic canvas. This autumn leaves tissue holder. There is a Halloween ghouls candy basket to crochet. There are some haunted house puzzles and pumpkin puzzles. If you're into puzzles, those look really fun. And there is a pumpkin wreath with pine cones that you can create or craft. And there's a coloring book. And let's just take a look at this pumpkin wreath with pine cones. That's really interesting. Well, that would be fun to hang on your door. And to make it, you would get, okay, that's a pre-made. So I guess you're not making that one. But might give you, if you just want to take a look at it, it might give you an idea. You can pick up some items maybe from the dollar store or Walmart or the craft store and make something like that yourself. So then there is also what I wanted to take a quick look at and show you was let me go back to see if I can find it. Okay. Oh, this little village for Halloween. That is also really fun. I think the kids would get a hold of or get a kick out of that, just to look at it and decorate it with in your home if you have kids come over for Halloween or anything. So, like I said, I have links for all these items and kind of point out to you some of the ones that we're really enjoying ourselves. And one I was thinking about getting for myself was probably the pumpkin trio kit, or because I crochet mainly, so that's what I like to do. But the plastic canvas things, I'd really like to try one of these door hanging things, or little quick little things that you can hang up in your home. Um, Even the pumpkin candy dish, that looks really interesting to me also. And that's in plastic canvas. I think I could handle doing that and making that to put my candy in. So I'll have some links below for you to take a look at all these kits, and just to let you know, they are available at right now, but this could change depending on what time of the year it is, and you know what what sells, and maybe they'll sell out of the kits and things like that. But just take a look at the different types of uh, this quilted pumpkin kit. There's no sewing or gluing to do something like that. So I'm going to take a look at something easy like that to do. Or if you knit or crochet or do plastic canvas or quilt, there's a bunch of other patterns. Again, I'll leave the links below, and please leave a comment if you have any questions. And I appreciate you watching. Thanks for watching. And please subscribe to Craft Door for any more ideas for your next craft project. Thank you.